Hi, this is Everton Blender, and you're listening to the Young Police Channel. Lift up your head and hold it up, high. We know that we'll win the prize. Everton Blender says so.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so those of you who have good memory, we know when I talk to the goldfishes them, cause the goldfish them after 15 seconds them don't even remember which part of them head there. You understand what I'm saying? Cause all parts of them body start scratch down, itch them and all kind of things. So if you remember, less than 2 weeks since the Vybz Kartel, that's the bullfrog, since him come out, he's been released from prison. Yeah man, released, the jackal. So he has been released because he's supposed to motivate the PMP criminal organization voters to elect the PMP, to put in the PMP criminal organization to deprive Jamaica from becoming a republic. Yes, so that is his goal. So sit them and Mark Baby Trump, Peter Bunting, the Tillibars and all of these people, they are enemies of Jamaican people. They don't want to see Jamaican become a republic. And then them have this guy up there now in East Orange, yes, charge of badness. So he had issued an edict, yes, that anyone that you're not in Gregory Park over by Gulf, you're not authorized to play any Vybz Kartel music in celebration of his release from prison. So you have an old man now, big man, named Rara. I'll show you how people stay, So Rara, yeah, so he was beaten badly, end up in a hospital at Spanish Town, but the people them afraid to talk. But as usual, we always have our sources and people to tell us things. Yes. So them beat him. My view get the information too, but that's not really my views thing for my view loves tell about about people, one and two little things. Other things where have to do with killings. But we tell you everything, cause we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we're all about saving lives. That's you understand what I'm saying. So each person have their own mission. I will tell you my view, one of the biggest informer, Iman Sir P. Yeah, Sir P is a man who call out people. Hey, look here, we tell people as it is, As we tell you already, say the channel them will watch. You understand? We'll give a full date about the Clarendon massacre. Why, trust me, it's a lot of work. So Rara now, yeah. If you look at a video that we have done about charge badness, beer mother, that's a one named Fallon, yeah, I'm out big like shark, and you see she at twerk, and I don't know, she go both ways too, you understand? Fallon go both ways, and say charge badness here. That time when we look on the upper left of on your screen, that's the man, the man kill Dave Clans. That's the man who teach him, introduce him to criminality. Kill Dave Clans, and then he married to Dave Clans' wife. Yeah, so he married to Dave Clans' wife, and that's why I'm reaching America and all these things. But he's a criminal, charged with badness. I know that he haven't told Uncle Sam that he was arrested, charged and convicted with murder. And as usual, I'm a PMP criminal organization gunman. Yes, them let him go. So the other man that was convicted, the other man back to, is a labor right. Yeah, man, we are telling you also it go back to, he's still in prison for the same crime. Charge of badness was held with the gun that was killed with kill the security guard. That you understand. So he's now in East Orange, New Jersey. So charge about this as issue and edict that no one know that you're not authorized to play any Vybz Kartel music to celebrate his acquittal of the murder charges that he was facing, he and his friends. So fast forward. So Rara now, a big man. Rara is a man instrumental in putting Kartel out to the world. Yes, cause I'm used to have him contests and all of these things with him and Daddy Flim. And Daddy Flim was killed. Daddy Flim was a better artist than Vybz Kartel. Bad on him. And he had beaten Vybz Kartel, win a big screen TV, and the same people them over there killed Daddy Flim, threw him behind a tank over there. Yes. So Rara have a son by the name of Brick Boss. And guess what? Brick Boss and Charge Badness a friend. Me don't know how them do it. A man beat your father and you and him a man stay a foreign and beat your father a Jamaica and you and that man a friend. Me don't know how them do it and them thing. That's why me don't know. I could not become a criminal. But I just saw it go. So the men them beat Rara. Guess who? It's the same little 15-year-old boy. His brothers. Yeah man, Ada and Venom and others. The other men them come from Spanish Town. I don't get them full name or them alias. These men are from Klansman gang, Tesha Miller faction over there in Gregory Park, over by Gulf. So now there's the PMP now, they must spread them wings, yes, extend them. Not the PMP criminal organization, charge badness, yes, they must spread them wings down to Watson Grove. Them say them want to turn Watson Grove in a PMP criminal community because them get too much labor right vote there, and who now say PMP I got dead. I just saw it go. So we don't. And then the people are saying that the MP Terry Long not doing anything, so they might call up on the Jamaica Labour Party hierarchy to do something about it, because these men who are from Klansman criminal organization gang in Spanish Town is in Gregory Park. So I tell you now, so Rara is an elderly man living in Gregory Park, St. Catherine, was beaten severely. He had to be hospitalized last week at the Spanish Town Hospital for playing one of Vybz Kartel's music in the community by men aligned to Carrego Barnes, aka Charge Badness, OC Che, for violating the order. And the worst part of the story is that the man's son is a part of Charge Badness gang. Yeah man, that's a brick boss. Boy, I tell you. And it is sad that his father is in the hospital and he's in America in the company of this man. I don't know how a man become criminal. Oh, your father, a man loyalty to a criminal than to your father. No man, hey, me couldn't become criminal still doing it, because I don't know how a man do it still doing it. So actually in reality, the brutal consequences have defined Carrego Barnes, OC Charge Badness, OC Che. Remember saying that Che is the unelected mayor of Gulf. Yeah man, in Gregory Park. So the power dynamics in Gregory Park, St. Catherine are stark and unforgiving. Recently an older man known as Rara faced the brutal reality of this dominance. Rara was severely beaten and hospitalized at Spanish Town Hospital simply for playing a Vybz Kartel song in the community. His attackers, men aligned to Carrego Barnes, also known as Charge Badness, and Che, the leader of the Gulf gang. And you know that Charge Badness is a PMP criminal organization, gunman. And then all murderer, him kill Fox. Fox which is Lisa. Lisa name is Marcia Griffiths. Yes, that is Che wife, Him kill the little girl, the girl father Fox. Him kill her. How them do it? How all the woman do it? So the man kill your baby father and the man kill your other man. You married to him? And that's why I tell you, say, some sick people them this, How them do it? You understand? So now him beat her with all pat in America and them thing, they run her out. So now him live with two other women in America. Yeah, so him no need she no more and them thing. But she still around behind him because they love the beating, But the tragedy does not end there. Rara's son is a member of Charge Badness gang. Yet, while his father lies in an hospital, he is reportedly in America, still under the influence and company of the very man responsible for his father's suffering. I don't know how a man do it though. Them are some sick people, them this. So them say, boy, the power of Karego, Barnes, OC Charge Badness, OC Che, has established himself as the unelected ruler of Gregory Park. Yeah, I'm a Charge Badness, you know. I'm the mayor, you know. Yeah, him say no Vybz Kartel music, no celebration. So man feel like, alright, I me boss Vybz Kartel, you know. You understand what I'm saying? Me responsible for his ascension to stardom. And I'm glad for him and them thing there. What? Them beat the man there. Like, all him woman, she have a big gun on them thing there. And the man them beat her upon all her hand to all she get beaten, you know, man. Boy, I tell you, I don't know all them people are some sick people. So it's banned and Vybz Kartel from having any street celebration following his acquittal by the appeal court is not just an assertion of control, but a chilling reminder of power he wields over the community. So you have to understand the consequences, you know. The cost of defiance. Rara assault. Yeah, Rara's assault is brutal. It's a brutal example of what happened when someone, what happened when someone defies Barnes that are charged with badness. Barnes order. It's not just about one man being beaten. It's about the message it's sent to everyone in the community. Disobedience will not be tolerated. Can you believe that? You understand? Disobedience cannot be tolerated. You know, so big people, you know, that's why I'm saying I like criminal, you know. Oh, a big man like that, no, you go send man, go 3 man play music, man, beat him, and him have to just take him beating so and all them things there. All them things there, you understand? So the tragic irony, the fact that Rara's son is a part of the gang that causes father's suffering. I like the tragic irony of deep-rooted loyalty within these criminal organizations. Even as his father lies injured, the son remains under the influence of the gang leader, showing the powerful hold these figures have over their members. The injustice, this incident underscore the harsh reality of life under the rule of a criminal leader. Justice is not served in a courtroom, but is meted out by those who hold power through fear and violence. And that's why I'm telling you, me no believe in a criminal, you know, no man where inflict harm on people and I use threat of violence. You understand? Figure out, me also straight to the departure lounge. What you mean? But don't worry yourself, Mr. Barnes. Your day is coming, you know. Your day is coming. You understand? I remember, you know, nobody feel say you're pitting my escape the judgment that you create, you know. You understand? I just saw it go. So this incident, this is an injustice, you know. This incident underscores the harsh reality of life under the rule of a criminal leader. Justice not served in a courtroom, but meted out by those who hold power through fear and violence. That's all criminal work. Hey, look here. When me I grow on them thing there, no guy couldn't come tell me this or that or them thing. Hey, no man, if all them thing they never happen to me when me I grow. All when me become police, I debt. Hey, me I tell you say I debt before this and that. Cause a guy don't have to pay. Oh, come tell who what. You understand? Well, a different era me come from and them thing there. Cause no man ain't tell me when me can do or when me can't do and them thing there. And you understand what I'm saying? I just saw it go. You know see. So career go Barnes ban. And Vybz Kartel celebration is more than just a restriction. It symbolizes his control. By forbidding public festivities, Barnes is sending a clear message. Gregory Park is under his control and any celebration that does not align with his rule is unwelcome. So the people them about us and I say the MP when him Terry Long, him not do nothing. Him not do nothing to protect the people them here now. So the people them say, boy, actually we are PMP. And them say them can't go to Raymond Price, Raymond Price afraid of charge of badness. Oh, he a politician and afraid of come on boy. You understand? And what kind of thing that? But well, I saw them do it still doing in a party now. Because I remember say it was the same charge of badness. Who threatened Dr. Della, hey, and him just resigned. Him go to Peter Phillips. I tell the big guy and tell Peter Phillips, say, hey, look here. The boy threatened me and say, man, kill me and them thing there. And Peter Phillips said, well, him run over there and him give with the vote and all of them thing there. So you have to work with him. So him just resign. Because man say, oh, me not work with no criminal. Me never go to school and get my degree and all of them thing there with no criminal. Me work hard feet, so I me for listen to one boy where I carousing. So him just left the party. When me say left the party, he just left the representation of politics. And guess what? He was still die-hearted PMP. I saw it go. Yeah, well I tell you, so you don't see it. I say it go, man. So the impact on the community, Barnes' actions have effectively stifled any public expression that might challenge his authority. So a straight dictator business, communism, is what he approve you can listen. What a community. You understand? And beat all the man father. And then him now brick bastard around the man. Me now, sir, hey, I couldn't become I know man, I could not become a criminal and everything. Me don't know how a man do it. A man beat your father and your father at hospital, and a man will justify why him beat your father and you accept it. You have to be a sick puppy, man, me I tell you. You understand? You have to be a sick puppy. So the community lives in fear, knowing that any misstep could lead to severe punishment. So what if somebody hey look, all a man all somebody over there I listen to Jamaica Young Police channel and never tell him say, oh hey, you lock out a little dirty boy there. I wanna call corrosion and them thing they still doing. So you understand, boy, but the boy they are informer and the boy don't like you, get a youth and them thing there. We don't get a people now corrosion now capital and on the lift pan. We don't know get a Jonestown and them place where infrastructure get dilapidated and the government not do nothing about it. Ghetto, anytime you have good community and they run down, because corrosion like when you come live there. Waterford and ghetto. Portmore itself is an extension of concrete jungle. I just saw it go. I own all corrosion down Corobunkers and Dirty Bungle family. I own mash up good places. That's why people for burning out with fire. You understand? So what is happening? This is a suppression of joy. The ban and celebrations prevent public gathering and suppresses the community's spirit. So as much as the same people them are going for that want to celebrate Kartel release, you know, them have to suppress that, you know, and hug it to hug it up, you know. You understand? Because they must say a them build Kartel, you know, because Kartel and a Waterford build, you know, Gregory Park, you know. So that's why I'm not powered so much youth down there, and some of them even kill them and all them things there. Vybz Kartel. You understand? So events that could unite people and foster unity are quashed, leaving a void in Gregory Park's social fabric. And I saw the man the influential, you know, the man that stay in America, thousands of miles away, and control what's happening in the ground in Jamaica. You understand? And him have access to Baby Trump and all these people, these criminals, elected people. And Baby Trump and no Jamaican, them are British. So I call for change. So this situation highlights the urgent need for change. The residents of Gregory Park deserve to live without fear, to celebrate their culture and enjoy their lives without the shadow of violence looming over them. So a message to the youth, the reality of crime, to the young individuals who might be tempted by the allure of power and the respect that comes with being a part of a gang. Rara's story is a harsh reminder of reality. Crime doesn't pay. It can lead to pain, betrayal, and destruction. Rara is a man where everybody loves in a community, you know. Remember, I say Rara used to live in you understand what I'm saying? Before he moved from which part he live, you understand? Because, you know, they must sell out the place, the man, them thing there. The man, you know, see it. You know, so you have all corrosion like Dwayne Carlisle, Gillian White, that are back to woman, Ricardo Dixon, O.C. Breeder, and Red Clown that are, yeah man, Chalice brother. Yeah man, Chalice brother. You understand? So Rara used to live on Godly Avenue, you know. What kind of, you understand? But them man are nothing godly about them, you know. I tell you, you know. Yeah, you know, see it. So him responsible for Vybz Kartel career and put him up there. And now, boy, the man in the hospital. And the people them say, boy, Nuffy can't say nothing because, hey, Nuffy want to come back to Jamaica for Christmas. Because he got a sting. And Nuffy and Vybz Kartel, you know, they know so tight again and them thing there alone. Nuffy help push him career. So I just saw it go on them thing there. Yeah, so as we tell you, you know, when you're in a criminality, you know, two places, either end up a prison or the departure alone. So we are telling you them to stay away from crime, because all of these false promises of crime, being a part of a gang, might seem like a way to gain respect and power. But in reality, it often means living in constant fear with threat of violence hanging over your head. So when in a gang, yeah, you know, say rival want to kill you, police want to kill you, and all kind of thing, because you're a criminal, you know. So when you're a criminal and thing, you must expect at any time, you know, you have to play number 3, as just like that. So the importance of integrity. There's no, any man tell you say there's an honest criminal, you tell that person that they're a liar. Because there's no honest criminal. I just saw it. Criminals are normally dishonest people. That's the first trait of being a criminal. You have to be a dishonest person. So there's no honest criminal on this earth. Remember me tell you that. Anyone tell you anything else, tell them that Jamaica Young Police Channel, Chris Porter tell us say a lie them I tell. Because there's no honest criminal. Criminals are normally dishonest people. Because the first thing that you have to learn for do, ignore your conscience. You understand? To be a criminal. You have to be unconscionable, you have to be lied, you have to everything that is. So I don't know how a man claims to the man, oh you are, number one, you know say you're lied as a criminal. Oh you stay and you trust the next man where you know say him a liar. You know say you're a fool. How is that a good career? What is so glorious about it? When you know say the person that you and them in the gang, them dishonest, them a liar like you don't know if them a plan to kill you. Are them going, you understand what I'm saying? Are them are set you up for kill you? Look on all the youth the other day at Waterhouse, where him friend, the man who him have as him best friend, and the man set him up, make them kill him. You understand? I just saw it go. There's no honest criminal. I tell you all the time. So the importance of integrity, no criminal are no integrity, you know. True success coming from living a life of integrity, honesty, decency, ethics, morality, and hard work. Building a future based on these values lead to genuine respect and lasting happiness, not fleeting and dangerous powerful life of crime. Criminal always them affair live. Criminal is a stressful life, you know. So I don't know why a man love a stressful life. You know, I go to jail, but you know say you commit crime, so you go to jail. So why you do it? Unless you're admiral for one for see more when man a beat and all them things there. Because you understand, and man rub up them soldier upon you. So understand if I want a dirty man. Oh a man, any man will love criminality. A man will love to hang out with men. Spend most of them life with men. You have some man from them born, most of them time they spend in jail or prison. As they go to prison and come out, 2 weeks after that they go back again. Because then they miss them charge and them G in a prison. What kind of people them this? You know, see some sick people them this. Them not believe in hard work. So the path forward, instead of following a path of crime, focus on building a life you can be proud of. One that contributes positively to your community and earn you genuine respect. Education, employment, community involvement are the key to a safer future. Yes. So we're telling you, so everything we give you, you know, we like to give you context. So the birth of criminality in Jamaica, roots, evolution, and community impact. You know them. You know we as Jamaicans, whether or not you want to believe it, because some Jamaicans are dumb, you know. I know say no dumb now over here say them thing. Because I dumb them gone long time. 15 seconds. Because no more them say, boy, the introduction is too long. So them gone. I just saw it go. You understand? So the historical roots of criminality in Jamaica, the seeds of criminality in Jamaica can be traced back to the complex interplay of historical, social, and economic factors. So all of this go right back now to most of you know. You go back to the Kukumaka stick when the PMP criminal organization them start attack the labor right them when them go meeting. And them start it, you know. Attack the people them and them thing there. Because everybody used to live in our love, you know. I tell you, you know. Me talk to a man the other day and them thing there. Come from Jonestown and them thing there, you know. And after Tony Spalding win, you know. I saw the people them in my community, you know, start chase out the labor right them and all kill them, you know. Because everybody, you understand what I'm saying? And I go and make no hear it on them thing there because And a labor right a problem, PMP them, them are the one to sow the seed of hatred toward each other. A man where him even help the people, them a labor right brother. You understand? Make people get work a wife and all of them. Everybody live in a community at Jonestown, as one. And at them see one after them PMP win 72. I saw people have to run where them thing there, some dead. At them start it. So we are give the historical the background of it. So the legacy of colonialism marked by slavery, exploitation, and the disenfranchisement of the majority population laid a foundation of inequality and mistrust that has persisted through the generations. So the marginalization of large population segments created fertile ground for anti-social behavior and criminal activity. So when I make excuse of that, because everybody could have done that in Jamaica. So after gaining independence in 1962, Jamaica faced significant challenges, including economic instability, high unemployment rates, and political corruption. These factors contribute to the rise of organized crime and gang violence, particularly in urban areas where poverty and lack of opportunities were most acute. So you have political violence and gang violence. So so what is happening right now in a Portmore? It's not a gang violence, or political violence. This is just straight terrorism, because terrorism isn't how you terrorize the people and make them get freed. Because if the people them live in them community and them can play the music what them want, let me say them not get to live them life the way that them supposed to be living. You understand? So, and you know that as we tell you about the political violence, in the 1970s and 80s, political parties in Jamaica become deeply entangled with criminal elements. Gangs were often armed and funded by political figures to secure votes and intimidate opponents. So at that time them start chase out people out of Jonestown. If you're on a PMP, you have to say you're a PMP. Many people, many families have to pack up and leave, because men just go on and say, boy, I feel say you're a labor right. Just so you know, them don't have no evidence. Them feel say, and you have to move. If you don't move, them kill you. Them burn you out and kill you. And you know that although the death penalty was there, who dare to go and testify against them? Because you live in a community. You understand? And the people, them were a part of it, because they were all about the spoils, because of what the PMP, Michael Manley, would give them. So this era of politically motivated violence further entrenched criminality into the fabric of Jamaican society. As you have seen, we show you a guy with name Trevor Monroe. All of these guys, I'm telling you all the while, say the educated people, them are the real criminal of Jamaica, because them educated, and they are like the shepherd, and them lead the people, them who are the sheep, call them illiterate and follow them, knowing that it is wrong, but them still do it, and them keep them out locked. But we not lock them out, we are chat. Trevor Monroe, you small on them people, them supposed to be banished from society. You understand? It's just a pity that we can't use natural justice, and you understand, and I say, oh, we know say you do all of them things, and we not have to go through the rule out there, you understand, the justice system. Yeah, man, got wicked people, them thousands of like blood upon them shoulder. I know them are come up, but integrity what? We don't need to stop listening to them people, them help destroy the mind of the people, them make them feel sick. All of them anti-social behavior, them normalize it. Oh, on God's earth, if you love your people, why? This is how I mean, if you love your people, why you feel say you have to kill a man for him support your party? Or him to think like you. Everybody can't think the same. You could never get me support the PMP criminal organization, because I do not support the killing of other Jamaicans. People, period. I don't care if you're a Labour or PMP. I believe in that people supposed to free to choose what they want to choose. Or the party. Come with your ideas. You know the ideas. All they do is promote terrorism. Because look now, this is 2024. A guy say what? He might come from over there and come from jungle. In the same community that I am from. You understand? And I say, boy, a theme place. Which part of you, all your own place? You don't know God. So this era of politically motivated violence, a part of it entrenched in entrenched criminality in the fabric of Jamaican society. As these gangs gained power and influence, they began to operate independently, engaging in drug trafficking, extortion, and other illegal activities. We not used to have extortion in Jamaica until the 1990s, and all become prominent. PMP do it. When I was at Unsby, all of the guys that were trying to extort, they are not here. Yeah, we not play them really and them thing. No, you're not. Extort what? You understand? You have to do something to get money. You can't oh boy, you can't operate business in our place, you know. We have to get rich money that you go work. You understand? Yeah, man. Or you come collect the extortion money and you collect your ticket straight to the departure lounge. That's how it go. You don't give a bone of jail business and them thing. Man, some man will run away. You understand? How you mean? So the transformation of these politically affiliated gangs into independent criminal enterprises mark a significant shift. No longer merely tools of political parties, these gangs began to assert control over entire communities, becoming de facto rulers in areas where state authority was weak or absent. So now these guys don't fill the vacuum and the nastiness start because them get the nod from the government. Because when you have a prime minister like PJ Patterson, who have a welcome home party for two known murderer, George Flash and Tony Brown. Tony Brown is the father of Angela Brownberg. You remember of Parliament that's replaced Portia Simpson Miller. So that's how it's going on. Once a family member commit crimes on behalf of the PMP criminal organization, they will reward you with a political party, reward you in the party. You don't get reach ascension in the PMP criminal organization without some form of criminality behind your name. I just saw it go. Just like Pummels, the council and the community where I'm from in Jonestown. You understand the world, you know. So this is breaking. If you understand the world and understand how technology and data, we try to keep a video at a certain amount of minutes for the audience members. We know that some people that tune in their goldfishes, they are not about to edify themselves. They are all about entertainment. As we tell you, this channel is entertainment, you know. You understand? So, I just saw it go. So we are launching a new video series, and we are thrilled to bring you the first part of an exciting new video series. Yeah, so, as we tell you, everything is all about time. You understand? So due to time constraint, we have broken down today's video into 2 segments, to ensure you will get the most of each part. So if you are eager to watch the full video and gain access to exclusive content, we encourage you to subscribe and support us on Patreon. That's all. And you see it. You get access to video that you don't even ever dream that you'd have seen anything there. And we have a special video coming out. And we now got people say, boy, I want to the Beanie Man video, I want to the Christopher Do the Scope video. As we tell you, this is not an entertainment channel. It's all about education and edifying people. You soon get all of them videos. Don't worry yourself. You'll get them as time goes by. Trust me. We're working on them. You understand? We're working on them. So all you have to do is click the link in the description box to join our Patreon squad. Please note that full video access is a privilege reserved for our Patreon members, as maintaining our sites requiring ongoing support. And we have to limit free access due to the high volume of users. Nearly 3,000 people I watch video for free. Them think that I can't. And them think that, really, come on. You know what I'm saying? And I like to say we are charge an arm and a leg. This is just for show your appreciation. You understand? And if you come over here and say you don't learn nothing, let me say, we are telling you straight up, you're a born dummy. Anyone who come and watch Jamaica Young Police and you don't learn anything, not only say you're a dummy, but you not only like back of your class, but you're out of your class. And this is a university itself. I tell you. When you can have a scholar, we call we and talk for you about live now, we and him talk on the phone. That means we're doing something good. You understand? We should a YouTuber get called from scholar. You understand what I'm saying? We don't call the man name and them thing there. It's there. Many people contact me and say, oh, them the man there. Yeah, them man there ace of the pocket when they come on. As we hear me say, in time him talk, people listen. You understand? And we give thanks on them thing there. And we not going to change my model because we are look views. No, we not that. I don't know, we want to change life. We want Jamaica, we want a better Jamaica. We can't continue along this trajectory with this killing when we are glorifying murderers and them thing there. So that's why we are going to make a video this week, this week, where we are beg all of the leaders them in the Caribbean, Cayman, Barbados, Trinidad, all of the artists them do song about kill people and inform of the dead and all of them thing there. We want them ban them. If on the positive music like the Everton Blenders, Luciana, no Coke, no Cokehead, no Buju Banton, ban them and all them thing there. Yes, a positive music. Make the people them listen to the chorus music them on the internet, but don't make them come in your country, in your island, come spread them nastiness. Cause it'll destroy our people. You know, see how, if you notice, our people are alone in the area of hell, black people, when we are the mother and father of all races. How that? Because the enemy them still working. The enemy have the same people them will work against us. And we have to save ourselves. We can't expect God to come save it. 400 years our ancestors in slavery, God never did help them, them help themselves. So we have to think. Yeah, so moving on. You understand? So so heartfelt thank you to our Patreon members. Yeah, as you know, we have 17 people, 17 countries, I should say. Yeah, we want to express our deepest gratitude to our Patreon members. Your support is the backbone of the Jamaica Young Police Channel Squad, enabling us to continue producing the content you love. We are proud to say our squad, including members from around the globe, England, United States of America, Jamaica, Canada, New Zealand, Cayman Island, Trinidad, Sweden, Spain, Germany, Nigeria, South Africa, Italy, Russia, Mexico, Barbados, Turks and Caicos, Antigua. Now, you understand? So your contribution are very vital. And we cannot thank you enough for your ongoing support. The importance of your feedback. Remember saying people in a Patreon, if you reach us at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. Say if you have dialogue with us, yeah, you just call, you don't know, you just send a text. You understand? If you get through to us and them thing there. Your priority. Because you are a Patreon, you are the one who help continue with the movement of the channel. Your contribution vital, and we can't thank you enough for your ongoing support. So in today's data-driven world, your feedback is invaluable. The compass guides us as we strive to create content that meets your needs and preferences. We have heard your thoughts about the length of our videos, and we are making changes to better suit your busy lives. We are committed to keeping our non-live videos under 40 minutes, and this will make our content more accessible and enjoyable, ensuring that you can easily engage with and appreciate what we produce. So some people say, so why we join our Patreon community? Yeah, so when you join the Patreon community, you are ahead of the pack. So when the others them have to wait days, sometimes they don't wait, sometimes them can't see it because we post it there just so you. Like even the Douglas Chambers killing. And we can tell you, you're going to hear about even a guy named Lutan Fire. You understand? Our artist, or same a Rasta. Where I tell you, say, my problem to Yeah, him know about the planning and killing of Douglas Chambers too. Lutan Fire. Yeah man, Tesha Miller and all of them people and the councillor brother and the PMP councillor brother and all of them something there. You understand? Oh, it come down and it trickle down the order to kill Douglas Chambers. Because man they on the JUTC payroll and him not work and him not that. And that's why them kill him. No for many of never know say a black man was a Rasta man. Enough people don't know why black man want to kill Popcorn. And the Vybz Kartel want to kill Popcorn, a black man, but black Vybz Kartel loyal to black man, and that's why he want to kill him. You understand? Yeah, black man was a Rasta man, Black man ballad, trim after him kill Douglas Chambers. Most of you never know that. We are tell you that. So it's about Joining the Patreon community isn't just about supporting us. It's about becoming a part of a dedicated group that enjoy exclusive content and special perks. So we are committed to offering significant value and exclusivity to our most loyal supporters. Each video will now include with a clear call to action once it's over 30 minutes, inviting more of you to join our Patreon family and take full advantage of everything we offer. Your role in our success. We take great pride in responding to your feedback and proactively implemented solutions that cater to your preference. Your input is crucial to building a supportive community around our channel. It drives us to improve continuously, and we are committed to using your feedback to guide our future content. Together, we will continue to produce excellent work and deepen our connection with you. So, we appreciate your support. So thank you for being an integral part of our journey. Whether you are watching our videos, supporting us, sharing the video, give the video a thumbs up. I don't know why it's so hard for people to give the video a thumbs up. You understand? And support. Give the video a thumbs up. Thumbs up the video. It can help to populate it in the YouTube algorithm. Without that the video was stuck on all of them things now. You understand? You have to give it thumbs up, because every video that you're getting over here is educational. You understand? So as we say, supporting us on Patreon or providing valuable feedback. Your contribution is deeply appreciated. And we thank you, for everything, all of the things them, we go from strength to strength, year to year. Are you people while we are still here, you understand? Especially with elderly audience, because them push way. Because we never did, we just do a few videos, one video for all 3 months, and why the people them start complaining until with the two video a month them complain, and this is where we are now. Where sometimes you get all 3 or 4 video, you understand, for your day. So we look forward to doing so with you by our side for continue the journey. Together we can grow. And we will continue to grow, evolve and achieve great things at the Jamaica Young Police channel. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel. Before we go, this is part 1 of a 2-part series. Jamaica Young Police channel. Out.